Hi, Tom here, and welcome to this drawing challenge of drawing a house and some steps in 1-point perspective. Step 1. Draw a horizontal line towards the top of your page. You could use a ruler if you need to, no problem. Step 2. Draw a vanishing point in the center of the horizon line that you've just drawn, and then a vertical guideline from the vanishing point going down the center of your page. Step 3. Draw a square just to the right of the vertical guideline and below the horizon line. Step 4. Draw 4 lines from the corners of the square receding to the vanishing point. Step 5. Draw another square using the 4 receding lines as a guide to make a cube in 1-point perspective. Step 6. Draw a triangle at the top front of the cube. And then draw a line from the top point of this new triangle to the vanishing point, and then draw the back left roof line by just copying the front left roof line. Step 7. Erase the guidelines and then add roof lines using the vanishing point as a guide. Step 8. You could add some details to your house in 1-point perspective. And then draw a rectangle in 1-point perspective using the vanishing points as a guide on the ground next to the house. Step 9. Draw 4 vertical lines from the corners of your rectangle and then use your vanishing point as a guide to turn the rectangle into a cuboid. Step 10. Draw the silhouette of steps on the front surface of your cuboid. Step 11. Draw the stairs in 1-point perspective, and you can do this by using the vanishing point as a guideline for all of the receding lines going away from us. That's the basics of this drawing. If you'd like to learn how to draw from the very beginning, then you might like to visit my website, Circle Line Art School, to view my new drawing course for beginners, How to Draw from Scratch. I hope you found this drawing challenge useful for your own drawings. If you'd like to learn how to draw from the very beginning, then you might like to visit my website, Circle Line Art School, to view my new drawing course for beginners, How to Draw from Scratch. Just click on the link below for more information.